Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explorer. I am Usman Chaudhary and in this video I am going to tell you how you can earn money if you know designing on SolidWorks, CATIA, Pro E or any of these 3D CAD software. So keep watching this video and make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel. So let's start. First of all, let me introduce you with a website 3dexport.com. This is a website where you upload your model and people from different countries buy your models. So if you have some skills or some knowledge on, for example, if you know how to design jewelry, how to design different 3D printable models, let me show you. Here is the 3D print models and these are the subcategories. So for example, let me choose in science and then engineering. Keep watching this video till end because in the meanwhile I will also tell you how you can prepare your models for this website. So all of these models are for sale in this website related to engineering. You can see here. So let's start. I will provide a link to join this website in the description of this video and then paste that link in the internet browser. Then you will see my profile here. After that, click on sign up button here and then enter your information and then create account, or you can also join this website by using Facebook or Google. So once you had created the account in this website, you will see this page. To upload your models for sale, click on upload button here. Then next step is that how to prepare your model for this website. So open SolidWorks or any of the CAD software in which you had designed your model. So this turbine, this is a Kaplan turbine and I had prepared it in SolidWorks and I want to sell it on 3D export. First step that I need to do is minimize all these windows and then on the desktop create a new folder. Name it your model name, then underscore, then STL, again underscore and then zip. Then open the model, go to file and then save as. Now specify the location of the folder that we had created now and click on this option save as type and select STL. Click on options and make sure that this box is unchecked, save all components of an assembly in a single file. So keep this option unchecked and then press OK button. Then name your model again Kaplan turbine parts and click on save. Press yes. Minimize and then open this folder. So all these files are now in STL. So STL file is required by the 3D printers. Then set the proper views of your model and press print screen button. Open paint and then paste. Select the model and then cut it. Ctrl plus X. Then select Ctrl plus A or all. Delete it and then paste. Resize the window and then save it. On the desktop, name it Kaplan 1 and save as type JPG. Close this window. By using same process, capture the screenshots from approximately 4 or 5 screenshots for your model. All these screenshots must be best looking. So this was the folder where we had saved all STL files. Right click on this folder and then click on send to, and then compressed or zipped folder. So here we had Kaplan STL underscore zip, which is a zip folder. Then next step is that if you had printed that 3D printed model, then make its video like this, and then upload it on YouTube, and also make a video containing how to assemble all the assembly of that 3D printed model, and upload it on YouTube. Then here is the link to this video. So now go to that website 3D export, click on upload files and select that zip folder and open it. So here is the folder that we are uploading now. Again click on files, uploading, and then select the screenshots that we had taken and open them. So screenshots or thumbnails will appear on the left side. Then scroll down, choose the category from here, 3D printed models, then subcategories, science, again engineering. Name the product or model Kaplan turbine model, and then write some description of your model. Then in the description mention the link for the assembly. So copy this link, video link of YouTube, and then paste it in the description. So now here are the dimensions. Type here the width in millimeter or any of the size. So width is 180, height 150, and depth is 125. Then if the print is ready for your model, then click on yes, then 3D scan, check it. After that, is this adult content, select no. Then select or quote price here. I recommend you to quote low price, because in the beginning people don't trust on the new users. Then type here keywords. So once all done, review all these settings, then submit. So here you can see we had uploaded a model for sale in this website. These are the related models from other users. Okay, now let me show you what you can upload on this website. This website supports all these categories in 3D print model, art, then character, fashion, gadget, games and toys, hobby and dye, house, jewelry. So if you have civil engineering knowledge, then you can also upload house plans and something like this on this website. In the jewelry, they had a huge market size for the jewelry. So I had also uploaded another model. Let me show you that model, this model. So here you can see I have this model, and then you can see here I had 169 views on this model within 3 days. So I had uploaded it on 24th of this June, and now you can see here it is 27th of this June. I hope you had learned and enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching and sparing time.